भूल गई हूँ यूट्यूब थोड़ा सा, लाइक काम की बात तो होती नहीं है मुझसे, फालतू बातें करवा दो। इट हैव एंड आई रियली लाइक इट। मुझे पता है मैं क्यों आई हूँ, पर मैं आपको नहीं बता सकती क्योंकि आई नो देयर आर 10 फिगर्स एंड ऑल, सो फालतू बातें करवा दो, काम की बात तो होती नहीं है मुझसे, बहुत एक्साइटिंग वैसा। आई होप यू कैन गेट इट, फोन एडिट कर दूँगी। ओके लाइट्स कैमरा action. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gauri Renek after a long time with the new content, and I hope that I stay active this time if I get better response. This time I'm here on YouTube to represent my own brand, which is Crafty Dhaga. Well, I even won an award for this, so मैं यहाँ पे पिक्चर लगा दूँगी, आप देख सकते हो, crochet thing and all, and it has lately been my obsession. In this vlog, I am going to tell you what things that I have crocheted and what all things that you can start as your beginner crochet project. So the very first thing that I made, the very first thing that I made was a pouch, was a green pouch. And I still have that. Still used to keep my money in that because it was my first hand creation from crochet, so it's very close to me, so I still keep my belongings in that pouch. And after that, it was very trendy at that time, so I made this. Yeah, it's on my sleeve. I'll like upload a picture over here. Like obviously I can try this right now. Like I will upload the videos about styling these and all. Well, I have styled this with the corset that I made. I can also put a picture of this over here, so you can do check that out as well. So that I have you can say that, like obviously it is of wool. Let me show you. Like you might have seen this on my YouTube. Like I haven't worn it often, but I really do like it. But it's not like it's of my style, but okay, I'll style this as well. I'll make a video styling this. So this is the third thing that I made. Yeah, like I haven't uploaded this anywhere because मुझे पता नहीं इसका कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कुछ पसंद सा नहीं आया था, बट इट इज स्टिल वेरी क्यूट बिकॉज it's a billy. It's a billy, like oh, it's getting merged with the background, but still you can see why it's getting merged with the background. Okay, that's how it is. That's how cutie patootie.
1 hour later.
And I really like this. Like अभी तो इतनी सर्दी नहीं है, but in winters I used to wear it a lot. I just love it. It is just so comfy, and even the yarn used in this is very good, so that's why. And the fourth one that I have, like I have made a lot of things, but I have gifted it to my siblings or sold them. Like पैसा important है ना.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Well, मैंने वो स्टॉल के लिए बनाया था, बट हाँ कुछ चीज़ें लाइक जो मैंने खुद के लिए बनाई थी एंड हाँ मच मटेरियल तो मैंने बेच दिया. सो द फोर्थ, यार थोड़ी बहुत साउंड अभी आ नहीं रही है, एडिट में लगा दूंगी, बट वो होती है ना. फोर्थ थिंग, last but not the least, and my favorite one that I love to wear is this Spider-Man. Okay, तो बेसिकली ये थोड़ा हाइट में छोटा हो गया है क्योंकि मेरा है.
बौना फिर भी बौना है, चाहे पर्वत के शिखर पर खड़ा हो, और देवता फिर भी देवता है, चाहे कुएं की गहराई में छुपा हो.
Otherwise I really like this Spider-Man thing. I don't know, like I still love editing videos and all, but I haven't made a lot of videos because maybe fashion school have made me so busy. Well, I have a lot of stories to share about. Do tell me in the comment section, like if you want to hear about what fashion school is like or the reality check. अभी हमारी थोड़ी सी हमने दिखा दी है मैंने सब कुछ. By the way, फ्लावर भी देख लो. So I used to make a lot of flowers also, like I don't have them. I sold, do you know, by just creating this flower I sold it of 100 and I earned like about 10,000 one day on Valentine Day because people loved it so much. Like obviously there was variation about the colors and a bit of pattern, but flowers are actually good earning. Like you can give them in a good bouquet, and especially on the occasions of Valentine Day. Like अपना तो है नहीं, पर अपने धंधे से हमने
Yeah, boy.
क्या बोलती रहती हूँ मैं, छोड़ो. हाँ, the thing that I would like to tell you, if you are starting your crochet business or going for the pop-up stalls for crochet, what are the things that you should make that actually have very good, you know, sales on the pop-up stalls? So one thing that I'll suggest you, don't go for big items because obviously it will take time, and obviously if it will take time, it will take a lot of yarn and it will be expensive, and for expensive things people like think a lot to buy. Go for smaller products, for example keychains, phone charms, pouches, flowers, clips, they are also like very common. So first, keychains. The one that I made was of a Spider-Man type. It was small ball with the eyes like this only. It got sold like pretty quite well, and then I have uploaded in shorts. I can put a picture here also, like the puppy one and the cat one, like small creatures, like as a charm or as a keychain, like obviously you understood, right? So those also like people like a lot. And other than that, pouches like depends upon the design and the functionality, but yeah, they also get sold out like very quick and people love it. So ये हो गई आपके काम की बात. अब मेरे काम की बात कि all the items that I have shown you, or you can see it on my shorts, or for the other products you can check out my Instagram page. I even have a website over there. You can see the catalog and anything or any other like Pinteresty crochet thing that you would like me to make for you, then you can reach out to me through Instagram, or you can even like comment on this video. I'll surely like reply you back, and we can have a conversation on WhatsApp or Instagram about your products. So do reach out to me. So do reach out to us, and for any other YouTube video suggestion you can tell us. I can share about my more creations or about my fashion school journey. What else you want to see, you can tell me. Okay, bye.